Hello, I'm Jennifer with Jennifer Decorates, and I want you to come decorate with me today because I'm going to show you a lot of before and after video and photos of a home we decorated, and it has a little bit of a modern twist. So stay tuned. So let's start in the dining room. We added a very narrow buffet, 2 lamps, a floral, and then a mirror. They changed out the light fixture, and then we hung drapes on each side of the window. It totally warmed up the entire room. Okay, next, let's take a look at the office space. Since we had plenty of light in the room, I thought it would be really neat to paint a darker color onto the wall and then paint the trim a very soft gray-black. I wanted you to take a look at this light fixture. I get asked all the time, can you mix styles? This light fixture is very modern, but it is paired with some other traditional elements in this office, and yes, it works. In the eating kitchen area, we again have a mix of styles. Traditional table paired with a modern buffet. These are some of our custom linen drapery panels paired with a beautiful gold French return rod. I wanted to point out something in their kitchen. They changed out their pendants, but their kitchen island used to be white, but we painted it a darker color, took that same color and painted the stove hood. It gave some depth and life to this kitchen. Then they changed out all the hardware. In the living room, we hung some new artwork. We added a tufted ottoman for their coffee table. I re-accessorized their bookshelves, and we hung these stunning linen drapes. The master bedroom needed some softening, so instead of starting all over with furniture, we opted to do an upholstered headboard. The light fixture was changed out in this room as well, and take a look at the ceiling. She wallpapered it. It is so beautiful. This was a little nook in her bedroom that we put a settee in, a beautiful piece of artwork, and a floor lamp. Our clients felt their bathroom was pretty bland, so she continued that wallpaper in the bathroom, adding a dark blue color on the walls and a linen faux Roman shade. And then a beautiful crystal chandelier topped off the entire design. Take a peek at this beautiful tile they added. The last thing I wanted to show you was this sweet little girl's room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to follow me over on Instagram at Jennifer Decorates. Everybody, stay safe and stay well. Thank you.